Here is your national slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight. Very windy and not as cool with lows in the lower 40s. South winds 15 to 25 miles an hour, increasing to west 25 to 35 miles an hour at Central Standard Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For additional weather information, please go to www.weather.gov. Wind advisory has been extended until 9 a.m. Monday, and expanded to include the following counties in Kansas: Barton, Ellsworth, Reno, Rice, and Russell. Severe thunderstorm watch number 42 remains in effect until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Pawnee, Rush, and Stafford. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, both in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.